Hello students. Today let us learn 7th standard chapter 2 fractions and decimals exercise 2.2. Here first question, some pictures A to C are given below. Tell which of them shows. So ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ numbers ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ and they have given some pictures. So you have to match the numbers to pictures. So ಯಾವ pictures ಯಾವ numbers ಗೆ match ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. So let us see first number. So first figure circle they have divided into three parts. They have divided into three parts and they have shaded two parts. Therefore, it is written as 2 by 3. Second picture ಕೂಡ ಮೂರು parts ಅಲ್ಲಿ divide ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ and they have shaded two parts. ಎರಡು parts ನ shade ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. So ಅದನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ನಾವು 2 by 3 ಅಂತಾನೆ ಬರ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. And third picture ಅದನ್ನು ಕೂಡ 3 parts divide ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ and ಎರಡು parts ನ shade ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. So it is written as 2 by 3. Therefore, when 2 by 3, 2 by 3, 2 by 3. So ಮೂರು ಸರಿ ಇದೆ. ಆ ಮೂರು ಸರಿನ ನಾವು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ? I can write it as 3 into 2 by 3. That's so I can multiply because it is been repeated 3 times. ಅದು 3 ಟೈಮ್ ರಿಪೀಟ್ ಆಗಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ನಾವು ಅದನ್ನ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ತರ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬಹುದು. So 3 into 2 by 3. Therefore 3 into 2 by 3. So here ಈ ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಯಾವುದು ತೋರಿಸುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮ್ ನಂಬರ್ 3 ನ ರೆಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ನೋಡಿ. Next diagram is, so second picture, here the picture is divided into two parts and they have shared one part. So it is represented 1 by 2. And ಇಲ್ಲೂ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಈ ಪಿಕ್ಚರ್ ಕೂಡ ಎರಡು ಪಾರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ and one parts are shared ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Therefore it is represented as 1 by 2. Here 1 by 2 and 1 by 2 ಎರಡು ಸರಿ ರಿಪೀಟ್ ಆಗಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ so I can multiply into 2 times. Therefore 2 into 1 by 2. Therefore 2 into 1 by 2 is the answer and this part represents the second question. Next question. Next figure, here they have divided square into 4 parts. This square now 4 parts are divided ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ and they have shared one part. That means this is written as 1 by 4. So 1 by 4 ಅಂತ ಬರಿಬಹುದು. And the second picture also they are divided into 4 parts and shared one part. So written as 1 by 4. Third picture ಅದನ್ನು ಕೂಡ 4 parts divide ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ, one part shade ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Therefore it is written as 1 by 4 again. So 1 by 4, 1 by 4, 1 by 4. Here 1 by 4 has been repeated 3 times. So we can write it as 3 1 by 4. That is 3 into 1 by 4. So here 3 into 1 by 4 refers to the fourth number 4 question. Next diagram. Here they are divided into 5 parts. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and they have shared one part. So this can be written as 1 by 5. That is one part is shaded and divided by 5 parts. Therefore 1 by 5 ಅಂತ ಬರಿತೀವಿ. Second diagram, this also has been divided into 5 parts and shaded one part. Therefore it is been written as 1 by 5. So 1 by 5, 1 by 5 ಎರಡು times repeat ಆಗಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ so I can write it as 2 into 1 by 5. Therefore is equal to 2 into 1 by 5 ಅಂತ ಬರಿತೀವಿ and this represents the first question 2 into 1 by 5. So second question, which of the drawings A to D shows? Here they are given first number 1 3 into 1 by 5 is equal to 3 by 5. Second is 2 into 1 by 3 is equal to 2 by 3. Third question 3 into 3 by 4 is equal to 2 1 by 4 ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. First diagram they have divided into 3 parts or 3 parts divide ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ and they have shared one part. Therefore it is written as 1 by 3. And second diagram 3 parts and shaded as one part. So 3 parts divide ಮಾಡಿ ಅವರು one part ನ shade ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. So it can be written as 1 by 3 ಅಂತ ಬರೀಬಹುದು. So 1 by 3 1 by 3 ಆಯ್ತು is equal to, okay, here they are divided into 3 parts and shaded 2 parts. That is written as 2 by 3. So 1 by 3 and 1 by 3 2 times ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ we can multiply these two. That is 2 into 1 by 3. 2 into 1 by 3 gives answer as 2 by 3 because when you multiply numerator and denominator 2 ones are 2 and denominator as 3. So it gives us 2 by 3 ಅಂತ ಬರುತ್ತೆ multiply ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ. So the answer ಕೂಡ ನಮಗೆ ಸೇಮ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ is equal to 2 by 3. Therefore the answer is 2 into 1 by 3 is equal to 2 by 3. Therefore this picture represents the number second question. Second diagram, here in the triangle they are divided into 4 parts 1 2 3 4. So 4 parts divide ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ and they have shaded 3 parts. 3 parts shade ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Therefore I can written as 3 by 4. So 3 by 4 ಅಂತ ಬರೆಯಬಹುದು. And second picture ಕೂಡ 4 parts divide ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ and 3 parts shade ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Therefore written as 3 by 4. Third picture ಇದನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ಅವರು 4 parts divide ಮಾಡಿ 3 parts shade ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Therefore 3 by 4. See is equal to ಈ ಕಡೆ they have shaded divided into 4 parts and shaded 4 parts also. ಅಂದ್ರೆ 4 parts divide ಮಾಡಿ 4 parts ಕೂಡ shade ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ that is written as 4 by 4 ಅಂತ ಬರೀಬಹುದು ನಾವು. 4 by 4 is equal to 1 ಅಂತ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಏಕೆಂದ್ರೆ when divide 4 ones are 4 4 ones are 4 divide ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ನಮಗೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ 1 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. that is 1 by 1 that is equal to 1. ಅಂದ್ರೆ 4 by 4 4 parts divide ಮಾಡಿ 4 parts shade ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ that will be equal to 1 ಅಂತಾನೆ ಅರ್ಥ. So this is 1 whole number. It is not a fraction. 1 is a whole number ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. And in this second picture also 4 parts divide ಮಾಡಿ 4 parts shade ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Therefore this is equal to 4 by 4 is equal to 1 ಅಂತಾನೆ ಅರ್ಥ. And here third picture they are divided into 4 parts and they have shared only one part ಮಾತ್ರ shade ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Therefore it is written as 1 by 4 ಅಂತ ಬರೀಬಹುದು. So here 3 by 4 3 by 4 3 by 4. So 3 ಸರಿ ರಿಪೀಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. So this can be written as 3 into 3 by 4 ಅಂತ ಬರೀಬಹುದು. We can multiply because 3 times repeat ಆಗಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ I can write as 3 into 3 by 4. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 1 4 by 4 is nothing but 1 4 by 4 is nothing but 1. So 1 ಎರಡು ಸರಿ ಇದೆ and 1 by 4 ಇದೆ. Therefore 1 plus 1 plus 1. So add ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ನಮಗೆ this 1 plus 1 becomes 2 1 by 4 ಅಂತ ಬರುತ್ತೆ add ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ. So the answer is 2 1 by 4. And this gives when you multiply these two numbers that is 3 3s are 9 by 4 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಇದು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ that gives 3 3s are 9 by 4 and ಈ 9 by 4 ನಾವು 4 ಇಂದ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಇಂಪ್ರಾಪರ್ ಫ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ನಾವು ಮಿಕ್ಸ್ಡ್ ಫ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ 4 2s are 8 and 1 ರಿಮೈಂಡರ್. ಈ 1 ರಿಮೈಂಡರ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ and the 4 denominator ಹಾಗೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. So 2 1 by 4 ಬಂತು. When you convert 9 by 4 into mixed fraction again that comes as 2 1 by 4 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. So therefore the answer 3 into 3 by 4 is equal to 2 1 by 4 ಸರಿಯಾಗಿದೆ. So this refers to number 3. Next diagram ನೋಡಿ. In this diagram they are divided into 5 equal parts and they are shaded one part that is represented as 1 by 5. So 1 by 5 ಅಂತ ಬರೀತೀವಿ. And second diagram ಇದು ಕೂಡ ಅವರು 5 parts ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ 1 parts ನ ಶೇಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. So that is written as 1 by 5. And next diagram ಇದನ್ನು ಕೂಡ 5 parts ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ 1 part ನ ಶೇಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Therefore this can be written as 1 by 5. Therefore this side they were divided into 5 parts that is 1 2 3 4 and 5 parts and they are shaded 3 parts. Therefore this can be written as 3 by 5. So 3 by 5 ಅಂತ ಬರೀಬಹುದು. And again 1 by 5 1 by 5 1 by 5. So 3 times repeat ಆಗಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ I can write it as 3 into 1 by 5. So I write it as 3 into 1 by 5 ಅಂತ ಬರೀಬಹುದು. ಈ ಕಡೆ the answer you get is 3 by 5. Therefore is equal to 3 by 5. When you multiply this numerator 3 into 1 is 3 and 5 denominator ಹಂಗೆ ಬರೀಬಹುದು. So you get 5. So 3 is nothing but 3 by 1 ಅಂತ ಬರೀತೀವಿ. So when you multiply numerator to numerator the answer 3 and denominator to denominator you get 5. So 3 into 1 is 3 and 5 into 1 is 5. Therefore 3 into 1 by 5 is equal to 3 by 5. So ಈ ಕಡೆ left hand side and right hand side equal ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ. Okay. And this picture represent to first question. It is 3 into 1 by 5 is equal to 3 by 5. Third way, multiply and reduce to lowest form and convert into mixed fraction. So first you have to multiply and then reduce. Multiply ಮಾಡಿ reduce to the lowest form ಮಾಡಿ and then you have to convert into mixed fraction. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ 3 ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. So let us do it. First you have to multiply. So let us multiply numerator to numerator that is 7 into 3 by 5 ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. 7 is nothing but 7 by 1 ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ. So you should multiply numerator to numerator 7 3s is 21 and denominator is 5. So when you divide 21 by 5 you get 5 4s are 20 and 1 as remainder. So you remainder 1 ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ numerator ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ and then 5 as denominator ಹಂಗೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Therefore 21 by 5 is converted into mixed fraction So that becomes 4 1 by 5. So here we have multiplied and you can't reduce it further. Therefore, we have converted into mixed fraction. So ಇದನ್ನ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ, ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ನಾವು ಮಿಕ್ಸ್ಡ್ ಫ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ. ಓಕೆ. ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಇಸ್ 4 into 1 by 3. So now let us multiply it first. That is 4 into 1 by 3 ನಾವು multiply ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ this 4 is nothing but 4 by 1. So now multiply numerator to numerator, that is 4 ones is 4 and by 3, that is 4 by 3 ಬರುತ್ತೆ multiply ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ, and this we cannot reduce to the lowest form, therefore convert into mixed fraction. So ಅದನ್ನ mixed fraction convert ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ you have to divide 4 by 3. So divide 4 by 3 ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ನಮಗೆ 3 ones are 3 and 1 remainder. The 1 remainder goes to the numerator and this is 1 by 3. So answer is 1 1 by 3. Next question. 5 by 2 into 6. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 5 by 2 into 6 ಅಂದರೆ 6 is nothing but 6 by 1 ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ. Therefore you should multiply numerator to numerator. Numerator 5 6 is 30 and denominator 2 1 is 2. So 30 by 2 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ when you multiply it, and this we can reduce to the lowest form. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎರಡು ಒಂದೇ ಟೇಬಲ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. Therefore 2 1s are 2 15s are. So the answer is 15 by 1. The answer is 15 by 1 ಬರುತ್ತೆ, and this 15 by 1 1 denominator ಬಂದಾಗ we will not consider it as denominator and we will write it as 15 only. So therefore the answer is 15 and we cannot convert into mixed fraction, convert ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. Therefore answer is 15. Fourth question. 20 into 4 by 5. So 20 into 4 by 5 na first you multiply numerator to numerator, that is 20 by 1 ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ ಅದು. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ when you multiply 20 into 4, that is 80 by 5 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Therefore you can simplify this further in 5 ones tables. So 5 ones are 5 and 3 remainder. So 30. 5 6 are 30. Therefore it is equal to 16 by 1. 16 by 1 again denominator 1 ಬಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವು denominator 1 ತಗೊಳ್ಳಲ್ಲ, only numerator ತಗೊಳ್ತೀವಿ, that is 16 is the answer. So 2 by 3 into 4. Here 4 is nothing but 4 by 1 ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ. So 2 into 4 multiply ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, 3 into 1 multiply ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Therefore 2 4s are 8 and 3 1s are 3. Therefore we got 3 by 8 by 3. 8 by 3 is an improper fraction and we cannot simplify it further. ಇದನ್ನ ನಾವು lowest form simplify ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ, and improper fraction ನಾವು mixed fraction ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ we have to divide 8 by 3. So 8 ನಾವು 3 divide ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 3 2s are 6 and 2 is a remainder. This 2 is a whole number. So ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 2 remainder goes to the numerator. It is 2 by 3. This 3 denominator ಹಂಗೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. The answer is 2 by 3. This is the answer. Next question is 5 by 2 into 6. So now multiply 5 into 6. 6 5 is 30. The answer is 30 by 2 because 2 into 1 is 2 ನೇ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. So answer is 30 by 2. This we can simplify by 2 ones ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎರಡು ಟೇಬಲ್ಸ್ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. That means 2 ones are 2, 2 15s are 30. Therefore the answer is 15 by 1 and 15 by 1 again written as 15. Answer is 15. Next question. Fourth main, shade 1 by 2 of the circles in a box A. So this is box A and we have to shade the circles in the box. So 1 by 2 of the circle in a box A. So 1 by 2 I will take 1 by 2 as it is and I have to count the circles 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. So there are 12 circles in a box. Therefore I will multiply 1 by 2 into 12. So 1 by 2 into 12 multiply ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆ 1 by 2 ಪಾರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ. So when you multiply 1 into 12 by 2 you get the answer is 12 by 2. 12 by 2 ನಾವು divide ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು, simplify ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು, that is 2 1s are 2, 2 6s are 12. Therefore the answer is 6 by 1. 6 by 1 is nothing but equal to 6. So 6 ಬಂತಂದ್ರೆ we have to shade 6 parts. Here 6 circles ನಾವು shade ಮಾಡಬೇಕು out of 12. Out of 12 circles you have to shade only 6. That is I will shade 6. This is nothing but I will shade 1 by 2 of 12 ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ. So this 1 by 2 of 12. Next question ನೋಡಿ. 2 by 3 of the triangle in the box B. So this is box B. So ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು we have to shade 2 by 3 of a triangle. So let us write 2 by 3 as it is and let us count how many triangles are there. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. There are 9 triangles. So I will multiply into 9. 9 is the multiply ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ now I can multiply 2 nines are 2 nines are is 18 and denominator is 3 as it is. So I can divide this number, both the number in the same number, that is 3 ones are tables. 3 ones are 3, 3 6 are 18. So the answer is 6 by 1 is equal to 6. So I should shade 6 boxes, 6 triangles in the box B. Therefore I'll shade 6 triangles in the box B. Next question. Shade 3 by 5 of the square in a box C. So this is box C and you have to shade 3 by 5 of the squares. So I'll take 3 by 5 as it is and I'll count the boxes. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So we got 15 boxes. That is I should multiply 3 by 5 into 15. So when I multiply 3 into 15, I get 45 and denominator as 5. So 5 into 1 is 5. So I get 45 by 5. If I simplify this, that is, I should divide both the numerator and denominator by 5. The same number, 5 ones are 5, 5 nines are 45. Therefore, the answer is 9 by 1 is equal to 9. So I should shade 9 boxes out of 15 boxes. So I have shaded 9 boxes. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 boxes out of 15 boxes.